Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a SpongeBob Among Us character. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners. I'm going to be using this. This is a Crayola brand marker. You can use anything you want. You can use a pencil, pen, anything. Doesn't matter. And I'm going to be using this paper that's right out of the computer. That's pretty much it. Follow along. If not, you can also just watch and relax. Kick back and watch it form, you know? Like a sponge. Sponges form. All right, let's go. First thing I'm going to do, curve for the top part of the visor of the crewmate, of this SpongeBob crewmate. Then I'm going to go over here on this side, curve a line over here. Also, don't forget at the very end of this, I'm going to show you something that I think makes every drawing better, but you know, you decide. That's going to be at the very end though, because it's a technique at the end of the drawing. Going to go over here, curve around the bottom. So now I have that window over here. Gonna do the cheeks. It's gonna have like a C shape right here, because SpongeBob has cheeks, so it's like curve, and then we're gonna finish this right here. So it's essentially this kind of pillow shape with a C shape jammed into it so far, right? It's kind of easy so far, right? I love Among Us, love SpongeBob. I can't believe SpongeBob is 20 years old. That's amazing. Wow, I cannot believe SpongeBob is that old. I'm gonna go a straight line over here for the forehead. SpongeBob is weird because it's like so current. It was when I was a kid and now it's still around. It's kind of amazing how like classic that was. Those 20 years went by really quick. Curve over here at the top of the head. Alright. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw the kind of lower portion, like right underneath the face there. Right underneath the the view window, the viewport, the visor. Gonna keep it going all the way down, and we're gonna draw obviously the regular crewmate body first. Hopefully Among Us is another one of those classics too. I know it's only been around for like a year. I'm just kind of hoping that it will stick around. You know, like let's say 10 years from now. I hope. You never know. Gonna go over here, pull down all the way. Okay. Gonna curl. It's basically a curve for the bottom of the foot over here and curve on the bottom of this foot. Pulling up. Pulling up. And then his lower waist. So a lot of this is going to be in the clothes, okay? So let's go into SpongeBob. Oh, well, first off, 1, 2, 3. He's got these like 3 dots on his cheek. And let's go into the straight line across over here for his outfit. Alright. I'm going to put down almost like a tile shape for the top part of his tie. See that simplistic shape is down, straight, and then up, kind of at an angle there, almost like an open paper clip. Over here, the edge of that, as it touches, I'm going to put a triangle aiming downward. Over here's the edge and triangle aiming downward. Line over here for the tie itself. Line over here for the tie itself. And then that's going to end at a triangular shape right here. Almost looks like a base or something, right? Like a catcher's mitt base. Line across for the pants, these spongy pants. Gonna pull a line over here, down here, a line down here for the shoe. Right, they're gonna be lined up there. But yeah, what else about SpongeBob? My favorite episode is probably with the chocolate. Like, it's like I think it's a season 1 episode. I'm gonna draw lines over here, like this dotted line, and what that's gonna be for is it's gonna be for the belt. You can kind of make it even longer, honestly. It's kind of like longer of these here. But yeah, I was gonna say I absolutely, I love that episode. Love that episode. Most of the first season is just like amazing. I haven't seen... I think I watched up until season 5, and then I haven't really seen too many outside of that. And then I'm going to draw little circular shapes, very thin. See, I'm going to keep my line thin by not having as much weight, at least on the marker. If you're using a pen, this is a lot easier. But if you're using a marker, you have to like really show restraint. Has these circle, kind of sponge-like pores all over him. Okay, now I'm gonna, so from here, see the top of this visor, bottom of the visor, measure out halfway, and then go back, line, down here lower waist, line, pull out, down, in. Alrighty. Line over here. Over here. Over here. Again, we're putting these little thin circles around him. Again, those are the pores in the sponge, right? I love that. What else? Yeah, his dynamic with Squidward is amazing. It's kind of hard to be like, I don't know, like I just love the show. I like Doodlebob a lot. I already drew Doodlebob. I drew a lesson on him. Maybe I should go back into SpongeBob stuff. So now what I'm gonna do is, here, this is the thing I was telling you about. This is the thing that I do on a lot of drawings. And if you've seen my tutorials before, you know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna draw a thicker line around the contour. So like, see, the contour is just the outside. Just the outside. And the reason I want to draw a thicker line is because I think it looks nice. I think it makes it look like a sticker. It contains the complexity of the inside. So I just think that's a great idea. But yeah, I do that for a lot of my drawings. So much so that I think it's like a cheat or something. I almost have to like stop doing it sometimes. Don't know why it makes it look better, but to me it makes it look a lot better. Again, it makes everything on the inside of it a little bit thinner, which makes it look a little bit more complex. And so that is just kind of my opinion. You don't really have to take that. What is your favorite episode of SpongeBob? Do you have one? Hopefully you're here because you like SpongeBob and Among Us. I wish, do they have skins like this? I'm not sure. Anyways, that is it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you being around the channel. You are amazing. I've been doing this for 6 years, and I want to keep posting like this for the rest of the year. Posting 2 videos a day right now, and I'm going to start posting maybe 1 or 2 on the weekend. But like I said, let me know if you made it to this point. Share the video. Sharing will really boost the kind of morale on the channel and always brings back cool people. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. I'm going to start doing experimental type videos pretty soon. Like 1, 2, 3 animations or something like that. So thank you so much. I will see you next time. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button.